Hey everybody, it's me Jalen, and today what we're going to do is make a water table all out of Target dollar section products. Okay, so one thing I did before we got like a little backyard pool, I hate it. It's like a blow up pool. I don't like it. Back to what I was saying. So it's like a blow up pool and I hate it because so many bugs got in it. I just wanted to throw it away. And my mom's like, please don't throw it out. We want to keep things like that. You never know. Whatever. So we're doing a water table instead. So I got a little bucket container from Target. Soren just can't leave. Go back. Go back inside. So I got a container here, and this is a table that I usually have upstairs. Okay, take a look at what we got. So I have this shovel, and I think this is really supposed to be for sand, not yet. For sand and some foam dinosaurs. Oops. This little net to catch the little animals in. I grabbed this out of his toy box because I thought this would be better for the like water wheel. Some little boats. And yeah, so let me go get my chunk so we can have some fun. And this is all out of the dollar section of Target. Do you like it? Yeah. You get to play in the water. What? What's wrong?
It's cold. It's cold. It feels good. It's nice. Ooh, nice.
What was that reaction? Look, you can put the water and the okay. Yeah. We probably need a little more water. Use this. Yeah. Good job. Alright, see y'all next time. Now we're gonna play in our water.